Hey guys, it's Warren here, and I'm somewhere a bit different today because I'm in Cologne with Tetra Recart at the Anuga FoodTec conference. Now the reason I'm here is because we'll be cooking up a recipe, but we'll be doing it in a way to make you think a bit more environmentally consciously about the ingredients that you'll be using. So let's get cooking. Peter's the chef, and we're going to be cooking a recipe today with quite a few ingredients from the Tetra Recart packaging.
So it's going to be spätzle, tomatoes, some almonds, and some butter, and some cheese.
Cool.
The ingredients that comes out from a carton is so goodly prepared, so it's quite easy to just open it up and have some seasoning, and then the quality will be awesome, I promise.
Is there any benefit from cooking with something that's coming out of a carton as opposed to a tin? Actually, when you're at the stove and you're pouring things out of it, or?
Well, for me, the benefit is actually the easy opening, and also when you're done, it's so easy to get rid of the disposal.
Okay.
Some people think it tastes a little bit better, and it's all about feelings. And for me, back home in Sweden, we always use the cartons.